All right, the drink we're about to make is called Scotch Rickey. Let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass, and we'll measure out 1.5 ounces of scotch. And we'll follow that up with the juice of half of a lime. And we'll fill it up the rest of the way with carbonated water, some soda water. All right, let's get our spoon and go ahead and mix it up. Accent the scotch quite nicely. You can use any scotch you want. Since we are changing the flavor of it a little bit with some lime juice, you don't really need to break the bank on which scotch you're using. All right, last thing we're going to do is just give it a twist of lime peel. And I like to rub the edge with it before I twist it in. All right, drop that in there and add a straw, and bottoms up.